just look at those eyes. I could get lost in them. Could you get any more perfect? You're everything a man should be. We'd make such a cute couple. Wait. Maybe there's a way. My spells book might be able to help. I mean, what's the worst that can happen? But first, I need an amulet. I'll just clear some space. I need a bowl of epoxy resin. Then I'll add some glitter. This will make it sparkle. Now I need to mix it. I want it to be fully combined. Just like this. Next I need to pour it into a mold. I'm using a love heart. Wow, look at that color! I'll fill it all the way to the top. And then wait for it to set. I can remove the mold. And then add a chain to it. Whoa! It looks amazing! This is just what I need. But I'm not finished. It's time for the spell. This necklace will make Matthew love me. Make him see that I am his destiny. Let it be a beacon to attract him. It's working! I can't believe it! Oh yeah, let's do this. Ahem. Emily? Wow. He's noticed me. I should go talk to her. Hey, Emily. You're looking great today. Whoa, I love your necklace. There's something so hypnotic about it. Huh? Are you okay? I think I'm gonna go. Wait, you're not going anywhere. What are you doing? Let go of me! Okay, I didn't see this happening. Open up, Emily! No, I'm good. This was such a dumb idea. Here, you can have it. I don't want it anymore. Huh? Where did this come from? That is so weird. Wait, the necklace. I must have it! Stay back! Aw, Mr. Unicorn, you're so soft. I could cuddle you all day. Wait a minute. Is that my tooth? Oh, how did that happen? That means a tooth fairy's coming. Mom, get in here! Is everything okay, sweetie? Look, my tooth fell out. My little boy is growing up. I know what I want from the tooth fairy. I want these AirPods. Well, you better put it under your pillow. Good idea, Mom. This will keep it nice and safe. And now we wait. This is so exciting! You need to go to sleep. She'll be here soon. Oh, right. I can't forget Mr. Unicorn. Good night, Mommy. Sweet dreams. I'll see you in the morning. It's time to do my thing. Look at him. He's so adorable. I'll just grab that tooth. I hope I don't wake Matthew. Got it. Now I can swap it for these AirPods. That seems like a good deal. I hope he likes them. Wait a minute. I should make this more personal. I'll need my 3D pen. I'll start by drawing vertical lines around the case. I'll keep them nice and tight. I don't want any gaps. Once I've done that, I can start on the lid. I'll make small lines on one side of the lid, then work my way around the sides. That should do it. I've drawn a unicorn on a piece of card. I'll use the 3D pen to fill it in. I just need to stay within the lines. That's the first part done. Next, I'll draw the ear. And now for the other side. I'll switch colors and fill in the other sections. I want it to be colorful. The sections will join together. This is looking great! I can't forget about the horn. That looks perfect! Now I can add the finishing touches. I'm pretty happy with that. I'll place this onto the case. The lid looks like a unicorn's mouth. Matthew is gonna love it. I think it's ready to go under his pillow. It will be such a surprise. I can't wait to see his face. I'm so lucky. I wonder if the tooth fairy has been. There's only one way to find out. Whoa! Check this out! This is awesome! Woohoo! Mommy! What is it, dear? Has the tooth fairy been? She left this just for me! Wow! The tooth fairy is very talented! I can't wait to try them out! You take this one, Mommy! Pretty cool, huh? It really is! Sha-la-la-la-la! Ugh, these sunglasses are so grimy. That's more like it. Oh, a customer. I'm here to spend some serious money. That's what I like to hear. Ugh, so desperate. What do we have here? Is this supposed to be fashionable? I like it. What else have you got? Now this is what I'm talking about. It's as though it's calling out to me. Let's give it a try. I think it's you. Of course. I make everything look good. Hey, I love the whole ensemble. But what would really set it off? Some glasses. You would look fabulous. I do like looking fabulous. These look interesting. Try them on. I think I will. I usually prefer something with some bling. I love them. Have a look. I'm not sure. No, these aren't for me. Did you just… Never mind. How about these? Okay, I'll try them. I don't know. I must have something you like. I have so many different styles. Nope. Nope. No way. I don't like any of them. How about my glasses? I'm done here. Wait, stop! What is it? I have one more thing for you to try. Think! I need the sale! Oh, this might be good. No, I used up my wishes. Aha! My trusty glue gun never lets me down. I'll use glitter glue to draw out a shape. I want it to look like a cloud. This is fun. Now I need to make a second cloud. These will be the frames for my custom glasses. Now I can join them up. Next I need some blue epoxy resin. I'll squirt it into the clouds. I'll do the same in the second cloud. This will be the lenses. Now I need to wait for it to harden. I've made legs for the glasses. Pretty cool, huh? I mean, I'd wear them. Cool. Have a look at these. I'm intrigued. Hand them over. They're better than the other ones. I feel wonderful. These are just what I wanted. Oh, I'm so relieved. I'll take them. How much are they? $5. I mean, hold on. They're one of a kind, you know. So, they're $500. A bargain. You can't put a price on looking good. Whoa! Thanks! No. Thank you. Ta-ta! Ciao! Come back anytime! I can't believe that worked. I'm so nervous. I'm just asking a question, that's all. Emily. I need to be more confident. Emily. Nope, that sounds crazy. Emily, this is for you. It's a symbol of my love. I hope you feel the same. Oops! Oh no! Where did it go? It's gotta be around here somewhere. Why does this always happen to me? Uh-oh. Hey Emily. I was just doing some press-ups. Let's sit down. You look nice. That's so sweet. I mean it. Wait, is that nail polish? Can I borrow this? Why? Trust me. This will solve everything. I'll paint around my plaster with the nail polish. I want to create a thin band. Then once it's dry, I can paint it. This pink is the perfect color. I'll fill in the gaps with this darker shade. This is looking good. And I'll finish with a heart. It looks perfect. I better not drop this one. Okay, here goes. Emily? What's happening, Matthew? Oh my gosh! Are you kidding me? I need to ask you something. I can't believe it! Will you marry me? Of course I will! I was hoping you'd say that. I've never been so happy!
How people drink lemonade that isn't fresh squeezed is beyond me. Ugh, I'm so bored. Maybe I should go out. But that means I need shoes. Very well then. Yoo-hoo!
Yes, Ava?
I need shoes. It's not that hard.
I picked out the shiniest pair!
No!
Aw, okay.
Ugh.
Fiery red?
Nope.
Sandals? What about these sneaks?
No! Shoes can be a tricky accessory. At least I like my top half.
Okay, Ava. This is the last pair you have.
on? It's not even raining?
Please don't fire me!
Just get out!
I've gotta figure this out! Can I make my own shoes? Oh boy! I'm losing my mind! Would she wear these? That's all I have left. Unless… That's a very nice planter! I've got it! Use a 3D pen to fill in the gaps. Keep going until you've reached your desired shape. One shoe sole coming up! Now get a paper bowl like this and cut it in half. Use the pen to glue it down. These bars will hold it there. Keep going! And once you're all done, pull the paper piece out. Use a ribbon to bring the bars together. Tie it in a fancy little bow. Cute! She's gonna love these! Oh, Ava! I found you the perfect pair! You like?
Seriously?
Dead serious.
Really?
Oh god, please like them! I can't lose my job over this!
You sure?
My life depends on this moment!
Take a chill pill. I'll wear them.
Phew!
They're actually pretty cute. Hopefully they're my size. Nice! Plus, they're one of a kind. Better show them off on the gram. The mess? Must I do everything around here?
Oh, it's freezing! I fell asleep on the couch again? Whoa! Hello, Tangles. There's my comb. And a whole bunch of other junk. Gross. This stuff's covered in cobwebs. Better than nothing, I guess. This thing doesn't work like it used to. Why are these knots so bad? Ouch! This knot is major! Ugh! This is ridiculous! Get out! Come on! Ugh! Whoa! This used to be attached to my head! How did this weak thing do all that? Whatever. My claws will have to do. Or not. Anything else handy around here? What about that spatula? Of course! Use the 3D pen to make the bristles. This may take a while, but the result will be totally worth it. You can make the bristles as long or as short as you want. Keep going until you cover the whole spatula. Time for a trim. Halfway should work well. There! You've got yourself a brush! My tangles don't stand a chance! My hair's gonna be so silky smooth! And I didn't spend a dime! How great does my hair look now? Being creative is great! And exhausting. Man, I hope I'm ready for this test. What's going on over there? Stupid big heads. We're so gonna party! A party? The best party? Awesome! Best party ever! And I have just the outfit. It's party time! But these nails! I can't show up like this! But manicures are too expensive. How long can I hide in here? My 3D pen! Want nice nails? First, lay down some parchment paper. Once you define the cuticles, trace the outline of your nail. Take the paper off to the side. Finish drawing the nail. Then fill it in with your pen. Red's always nice. Looks pretty good so far. Use a bar like this to curve it, so it will fit your nail. Then peel it off of the paper, and it should be the perfect fit. Ta-da! They're gorgeous! This thing sure is handy.
Who needs an expensive manicure when you can do it yourself? Hey! Those nails are fabulous! Thank you! That's what I call a confidence boost.
Hey there, Ava. You sure are sparkling today.
Is that real? No! Is that David? No! My hair! That was supposed to be flirty! Ugh, stupid long hair. That's better. He doesn't even notice me. Ava gets all the attention. Seriously? Let's try this again. It's all good. Huh? All my stuff fell out of here! This day just keeps getting better. Hi, David.
Whoa! Look at Annie's earrings! Hey!
Me? Excuse me? Where are you going? Ugh. You really like them? They're one of a kind, too.
Just message me on Insta!
Ugh. Annie thinks she's slick. Her earrings are pretty cool. I like your ear candy. I'll help you make some. Trace a picture of a leaf with a 3D pen. Color it in, too. Looks like a real leaf, see? Once it's dry, attach it to a chain. Then add another leaf down below. You can mix and match them. Nice! Annie, thank you. At least they look expensive. Wish you had a 3D pen like they do in the video? What would you make first? We would totally rock those funky sandals. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out.